Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Shomu's Biology. And this has been an honor to make this series of videos, and this is probably the over a decade I've been making videos just before the CSIR NET examination to help you to qualify the examination for the last month and utilize the last month the best possible way. For this time, this session, June 2026 examination session, I will be making this video series of CSIR NET Toppers Secret. And in this particular series, what I'm going to share is that the toppers, they don't follow the typical rule of the books. What they do is that they don't read everything and anything that is out there, because if what they do is that they understand the exam very, very well. They know the bits and pieces of the exam, right? They know from which topics the repeated questions are being asked for the previous 5-6 years, and they focus on those topics. They read and drill down those topics to the bare minimum basic, towards the basic, from the basic to the advanced most concepts of those topics. Once they do that, they become unstoppable in those topics, and believe me, they generally get questioned from those topics repeatedly, year after year after year. I've known my students who scored very, very well with the rank under 25, have not touched the paper 1, the general aptitude and reasoning paper, without touching it, qualified with a score of more than 145, 150 out of 200. So if you want to score that much marks, you need to have a blueprint which you should follow. You need to have patience of learning the whole exam, understanding the whole exam, and understand the blueprint of Topper's Secret. That's what we're going to provide you throughout the series for all the 13 units. So this is going to be a roller coaster ride for all of you. I'm going to highlight the topics that you need to read, you need to prepare, because the topics are most important topics, repeatedly asked, high yield topics, and these topics are not man-made like that. This obviously man-made, but it's not made by me. It's shared by CSIR NET itself with their syllabus. So I'll just decipher the CSIR NET Life Science syllabus for one last time before the syllabus gets changed or gets altered. One last time from Shomu's Biology, you're going to get the detailed analysis of repeated topics, high yield topics that you should prepare, and the topics you should leave, and then revise those topics to score well in the upcoming CSIR NET Life Science examination. So all the very best. Let's begin. So this is going to be the first lecture of this Topper's Secret series, and in this lecture we are going to start with Unit 1. Unit 1 means Biochemistry. And let me take highlighter. If possible, I'll just take the highlighter here. Yes. And I'm going to tell you the topics that you need to prepare from this Unit 1 Biochemistry. Remember one thing, Biochemistry unit is the question that they ask from Biochemistry are more analytical and less memory based. So more analytical question you can expect. The first thing is the structure of atoms, molecules and chemical bonds. Child's play, but important. Among these three, the chemical bonds, this particular topic, the chemical bonds, this one is important. Different kinds of chemical bonds and their energy that they possess, you need to know, and how they form and where they are present. The examples of these chemical bonds in biological systems you need to understand. Next is composition, structure, function of biomolecules, carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, nucleic acids and vitamins. Apart from vitamins, rest all of them are important, like carbohydrates, lipids, protein, as well as nucleic acids. So this section is important, but I don't think the structure and function of vitamins are that important. Vitamins are not that important. What is important is already being explained and told. Okay. The next thing, stabilizing interactions. Yes, in the chemical bond, the formation of whether covalent bond or ionic interactions, apart from that stabilizing interaction, important van der Waals, electrostatic, hydrogen bonding, hydrophobic interaction, all are very, very important. Fourth one, principle of biophysical chemistry, pH buffer, reaction kinetics, thermodynamics, Now, the only thing that is important from here is math. So the theory you need to know, that much theory needed to solve math problem is enough from this. So pH, buffer, reaction kinetics, thermodynamics, yes. So I'll go with the reaction kinetics. I'll go with the thermodynamics. It's more important, and the pH and buffer are important. Bioenergetics, now into the bioenergetics, glycolysis, oxidative phosphorylation, coupled reaction, group transfer, biological energy transfer, transducers. Here glycolysis is the most important, oxidative phosphorylation is very, very important. So glycolysis, Krebs cycle, which is also known as TCA cycle, oxidative phosphorylation or electron transport chain is important. Principle of catalysis, enzymes, enzyme kinetics, yes. Principle of catalysis obviously important, enzyme and enzyme kinetics important. Enzyme regulation obviously important. So these are the three things are that you need to study from enzyme kinetics. Conformation of proteins, what an important topic this is. Ramachandran plot, very important. Secondary, tertiary structures, quaternary structure, domains, motifs and folds of proteins, all are very, very important. Conformation of nucleic acid, aDNA, bDNA, zDNA important, tRNA, microRNA are all important. Stability of protein and nucleic acid structures, yes, this is also important, means how exactly a protein behaves or a nucleic acid behave in different conditions, high temperature, low temperature, high salinity or high acidity, and different detergents and what they do to proteins and nucleic acids. And basically one more thing that you need to understand is that separate the membrane bound proteins, whether the membrane, how to separate the integral membrane proteins, how to separate membrane proteins which are not integral, which is just superficial. Metabolism of carbohydrate, lipid and amino acids, nucleotides and vitamins. Now among them, metabolism of carbohydrate is the most important, and then second one is the lipid. Now if you want to just read selectively, then I'll suggest that amino acid metabolism, nucleotide and vitamin metabolism is not that important compared to the carbohydrate and lipid metabolism. So this is your suggestion from unit 1, which is a huge unit. Now if you ask me, this should not be like logical to leave anything in unit 1 or biochemistry, because it's a mother subject. If you don't understand biochemistry, you will not understand many things. But before this exam, for the revision purpose, these are the topics that one should focus on to score well in the examination. So all the very best for the upcoming examination, June 2026 examination for this unit 1 biochemistry chapter. So that concludes our understanding of this unit and the most important topic from this unit, the topics that are repeatedly asked from this unit. So this is what toppers do. The CSIR NET toppers, they don't read everything and each and everything from every single unit. No, they read only the repeated units, the most high yield topics from every unit of CSIR NET Life Science syllabus. And if you follow them, blindfoldedly follow this strategy, and you are going to get benefit. You are going to replicate the toppers strategy and you can reach to get a highest score to be the next topper. All the very best. And if you want to prepare this suggestively, we at Shomu's Biology, we prepare everything on the basis of this heat map analysis. We provide heat map analysis, we provide the roadmap, we provide books, hard copy books, we take test series based on this idea, we take classes based on this idea. So if you want to join our online coaching program, the registration is going on, the admission is going on. Contact 9804654228. Visit our website www.shomusbiology.com. Remember, if you check it through our application, which is there in the App Store and Play Store, the price of the coaching will be higher, but if you check in the website, it will be low. If you directly contact us, it will be low. So I recommend you to go through the website to sign in for the coaching, or directly contact us to sign in for the coaching. All the very best. Wish you the best in the upcoming session of the CSIR NET examination. Bye.